So today we discuss dynamic RAM. So dynamic RAM normally they are smaller than SRAMs and it requires more peripheral circuitry and it requires periodic refreshing operations. And there is no static power dissipated for storing data. That is a plus point of this. And it offers better integration densities. So these are some of the aspects, some of the features of this dynamic RAM. Dynamic RAM popular implementation can be with one transistor, it can be implemented with a 3 transistor implementation is also there. So let us see this one transistor DRAM. One transistor DRAM, the circuit is as shown. It is the word line and bit line. Between this word line and bit line, a transistor MOSFET is connected, NMOS is connected. So this is nothing but a pass transistor. So this is nothing but a pass transistor. So you place your data in this bit line. So it will be this capacitor CS, it charges. So whenever a 1 is stored, it means a 1 is written into the cell means this CS is the maximum value. So when a 1 is transferred, Vs equals, that is Vs equals V max, that is the maximum value, that's equal to VDD minus VTA. So this is the problem of the pass transistor because the output will be VDD minus supply voltage minus threshold voltage of the transistor. So this is Vs equals V max. So the charge stored in this capacitor, that is QS. QS equals Vs into QS equals Vs into CS. See. So when Vs equals 0, this Qs equals 0, that is the logic 0. For logic 0 operation, Vs equals 0 and Qs equals 0. So that is logic 0. So largest value that can be passed to this capacitor, we have seen that is VDD minus VT. So then Q max will be, at this point what is the Q max? Q max is equal to CS into VDD minus VT. So that is the capacitor, the charge stored in this capacitor during a logic 1. So hold state is achieved by refreshing the cell. This memory cell can be refreshed. So it is achieved by turning off the access transistor. You make the WL, make the word line 0. Let us see. Make the word line 0. Circuit is simple. This is my bit line, this is my word line, this is my capacitance. So for hold state, you have transferred a 1, so the maximum value is Qs equals Cs into VDD minus VT. This we have seen. So you want to hold this data in this capacitance, so hold state. So this is achieved by making this WL 0. Make WL equal 0. So word line is disabled. So whatever charge is stored in this capacitor, that will be held as it is. Then you see there is leakage in this transistor. So normally the transistor conducts when VGS is greater than or equal to VT, transistor conducts. So your word line is disabled, that possibility is not there, transistor is off. But during VGS less than VT, that is the condition now, but there will be leakage. There will be leakage current through the transistor. So this leakage current, it provides this leakage current, it is driven by the EMF. Vs equals Vmax. So that Vmax equal to VDD minus VTL. So This Vs equals Vmax provides EMF for the leakage current. So that leakage current IL equals minus dQs by dt. So that is equal to minus Cs multiplied by dVs by dt. So this is the hold state of the cell. So you make WL equals 0, and so this leakage current, it means VGS is less than VT and leakage current is this. So we continue this in next session.